Remember this video about the fires? This one? Check it out and see what happened right after I had just made this video. You see those fires down there? Let me see if I can zoom it up. See those fires down there? Right now, the fires are down there. They've burned that side. It came from that side all the way there, you can see. And then they burned there. It's done. They came here. So I would say that's hill number 1. This is hill number 2. So they burn on this hill. And then now from this hill, it's traveling all the way across to hill number 3. And then as soon as they are done, with burning down there, what they do is there's a rail line just underneath here that you won't be able to see right now because of where I'm standing. And then they burn on this hill that I'm standing on from the rail line. And the fire comes all the way up to the fence line here. That's how far the fire comes. And then it will burn all over here. If you look here, you can see there's brown right where my finger is, and there's brown green here. The reason why there's brown green here, it's because I tried to cut all the tall, dry grass and weeds, so that when the fire starts, there isn't much fire closer to the fence line. The fire is just down there. But now I'm worried that either I need to take this net out or I need to go cut there. So that, because when it's windy like now, like it is today, you can see the wind is pushing towards my house. It's pushing towards that direction. When it's windy and there's fires there, that net will be completely obliterated. So it's either I remove the net from this raised bed, or I cut there so that the fire is just burning low. Because if this grass is tall like this, then the fire becomes more stronger, as you can see it down there. Anyway, I wanted to show you this because I always speak about this, but I haven't had an opportunity to show you guys. It's gone. See what I was talking about? Oh man, I hate this when these people make these fires. Yeah, go inside. Oh man. Go inside. Shit. The smoke is too much. Oh man. I really hate it when these guys do this. I wasn't fast enough. Yeah, well. Now I just need to stop it from coming here, up here on the fence. There's the, what you call it, smoke is too much and heavy. Yeah, just wanna keep it right there. Shouldn't come up closer to the fence line. Now I'm going to have to buy another net. Maybe I should just buy a chicken wire mesh. It doesn't burn. Yeah, this net thing it gets bent. Yeah. Go inside the house, Baba. Yeah. You know, all it takes is one stupid person with a matchstick to cause this whole nonsense. You know, and yeah. And for some of us, we have to run like headless chickens trying to doze off a fire that we did not start. Oh man, the smoke is flipping too much. Anyway, it's done.